What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninjas in association with my dogs. If you can hear them barking outside, if you could ignore them for just a few minutes, I will introduce to you a developing position, freelance, where you can work from anywhere, any country in the world, 100% remote. Okay, and you'll be working for a company called Toptal. Okay, they're looking for a Flutter developer. They want you to be a freelance developer for their company to help them move things along. Okay. They have reiterated and they have stressed that you work from anywhere, 100% remote, and it is an international position. Yeah. Before we go into the video, if you like the content I've shared that helps you make money online using the skills you have or are currently pursuing, go ahead and drop a like, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, comment, comment where you're from, comment how these leads have helped, comment what you think about the video, anything you want to comment on, just let me know, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible. Okay, so design your full-time freelance career as a top freelance developer with Toptal. Freelance work is defining developer careers in exciting new ways, and I guarantee you that the number of freelancers is increasing daily. People are just upping and leaving their jobs because they're realizing that working from home for them is better. There are still people who think that working from an office for them is better. So you decide. Now, if you're passionate about finding rapid career growth potential working with leading Fortune 500 brands and innovative Silicon Valley startups, Toptal could be a great fit for you for your next career shift. Toptal is an elite talent network made up of the world's top 3% of developers, connecting the best and brightest freelancers with top organizations. Now, unlike a 9 to 5 job, you'll choose your own schedule and work from anywhere. Anywhere. Right? Jobs come to you, so you won't bid for projects against other developers in a race to the bottom. Meaning you don't bid to compete. You don't compete with other developers and bid the lowest price to beat the person you're bidding against. Okay. So instead of working and making $10 an hour, just to get in cheaper to secure the job, you go in at $8. The next person comes in at $5. A person from India or Asia or somewhere comes in at $3 to do the same job. Jobs come to you, so you won't bid for projects against other developers in a race to the bottom. Right? Right. So, plus, Toptal takes care of all the overhead, empowering you to focus on successful engagements while getting paid on time. At the rate you decide, every time. Every time. Our sophisticated screening process makes sure you are provided with top clients without additional overhead, as well as assistance in maximizing the potential of your full-time freelance career. Joining the Toptal network also gives you access to technical training programs, mentors, and coaching programs, so you can connect with a global community of experts like you to share peer-to-peer knowledge and expand your network globally. As a freelance developer, you can become a part of an ever expanding community of experts in over 120 countries, working remotely on projects that meet your career ambitions. That's why the world's top 3% of developers choose Toptal. Flutter developers in our elite network share English language proficiency. They share at least 3 years of professional experience as a full-time developer. And if you haven't noticed, this is them going into the qualities and requisites you need to have to qualify for this role. Third, right here, yeah, strong experience building mobile apps with Flutter. Fourth, experience developing apps with iOS and Android. Basically, they want you to have experience with iOS or Android or both, right? Next, project management skills, a keen attention to detail, experience with system architecture or leading a software team is a strong advantage. So if you've been in a leadership capacity, not necessarily a manager, but like a team leader, money. Full-time availability is a strong advantage. Cool? Cool. So they would consider part-time, but you would definitely have a huge advantage if you could work full-time. Now, interested in learning more, check out all that Toptal offers by clicking this link. That's a link. Notice the difference in color. And or developer, this one here, or developer rate calculator, meaning you can calculate how much you can get paid depending on how many jobs you get and the nature of the job, because as it says, work comes to you, right? So use the developer rate calculator to see how you can transform your career. Once you apply, our screening team will be happy to answer any questions. Now, if you're interested in pursuing an engaging career working on full-time freelance jobs for exclusive clients, take the next step by clicking apply and filling out this form, this short form. Here's the apply button that they speak of. This one. Right? When you hit apply, this is what happens. Magic. No, when you hit apply, the money doesn't just come, but the application page pops up. You can sign in with LinkedIn and you can pretty much present your LinkedIn profile as your application if you wanted to. However, you can go through the fields. You are a developer, you're a designer, finance expert, project manager, blah, 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 right? Designer. Full name, email, create a password, confirm your password, and then you apply to join Toptal, okay? From then on, you will continue through the process. Cool? So, that's the doorway. I'm inviting you to walk through it, and yeah, go ahead, check it out. Let me know what you think, and all the best in your endeavors. Yeah, you can literally design your full-time freelance career as a freelance developer. So check that out. Again, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about Flutter and creating apps for iOS and Android. Continue to stay safe, guys. I hope you've had a good Christmas holiday, and I hope going into the new year you guys continue to, be level-headed. It's silly season, as it's called, so be the smart one and be very aware of what's happening around you. And thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Stay safe.